screwdriver.
What is the screwdriver doing?
A hammer screwdriver.
A hammer and a screwdriver. Wait a minute, somebody else arrived. Hi, who are you?
Abby?
Yes. And who are you? What's your name? What is your name? You're not telling me? Oh dear, I guess I will have to call you George.
No, go away, Jose.
What is your name?
Go away, Jose.
Your name is not Go Away Jose. I'm pretty sure that's not what's on your birth certificate. What is your name?
Lizzie.
Livy, much better. Can you tell me your whole name? What is your full name?
Olivia.
Olivia, very good. You're getting good at this stuff. Is there anything else you need to tell me? Are you sleepy? Yeah. Will you go to bed? Do you want to go to bed?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, will you say night-night? Say night-night, everybody.
No.
Can you blow kisses? I love you.